Knowing you guys now who played obviously for Sundowns, is he giving you some insight into
Yes, Sirino take good times in Sundowns. We are very lucky to have him in our side. I think he's settled the ideas for him, for us, trying to have the team to achieve the 3 points, not only with Sundowns, but the first 2 games he was a very, very good help for us. And of course he will be a good weapon also to attack this game.
I know. And then you obviously got your goal yesterday. There were big celebrations on the bench. Is it something you train that set piece specifically? Is it something you train?
I will be honest with you, before the game we had the meeting here, and Coach Nabi and the staff shows the goal of Arsenal against Manchester City. And if you see the images, then you understand why the reaction, because it was like the perfect copy of this goal. And we trust a lot in this technical team because they help us a lot. So yeah, that's why a lot of celebration is good.
And I know that it's still I know it's still early in the season, but you say that you should find the combinations in terms of defense, because we know that Cheese lead in all of the games this season. Are you saying that it's still early, or are you finding that combination to be the Cheese solution in the back?
No, as I said, it's too early. I cannot talk about the future. I see a season as a marathon. We just run 2 miles. We have maybe 30 more miles to run. We have a lot of things to improve, and certainly if we keep this mentality, this focus, we will grow up, and that's the most important, to believe in the process. It's to grow up, to develop, to don't stuck in a level. And that's really the most important, is to develop and keep growing as a team.
Where we were talking about, how are you finding your partnership with your central defense partner?
Yeah, Miguel is a talented player, he's young and he's very humble. We like to listen. This is the most important. The message they got us for the young players, they have to listen. Even sometimes they don't want to listen for short days. Fantastic player, fantastic player. And I'm very happy for him, for his performance also. He's doing great, not also in the Kaiser Chiefs, but also national team. He's starting a very, very interesting career, and I'm truly